Yes guys, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you're all doing really well. Welcome back to the channel, where you find me in the beautiful Cornish countryside. And as you've probably guessed from the title of the video, this is Coasts and Coffee. Coasts and Coffee is just a little idea that popped into my head the other day. I work with coffee, I work in a bakery, so I just thought, why not combine the two and show off Cornwalls coastline and find some great coffee along the way. As you can see, today's choice of vehicle is the trusty old ZX. Really enjoying this bike since buying it. Really enjoying it. It's great fun. And I've just did it all by myself. Did the chain and sprocket set, but it's made 10 times the difference in bike. It feels so good now. The gear changes are smooth. It just feels really nice to ride now. So stay tuned. If you're interested in coastlines and coffee, this is the video for you. Well, there's some place, isn't it? Excuse the wind, it's pretty damn windy up here. So this is Bottalack. It's an old Cornish mine. It's probably my favourite place in the world, to be fair. It's just insane, look at it. Cornish coastline at its best. Bloody hell, it's hot here, my darlings. Right, let's hop back on the bike. So where we're headed is a place called Land's End Coffee. Ironically, it's obviously at Land's End, so if you're ever down this way, it is an incredible riding area. You know, the roads out here are incredible, and the coffee is pretty outstanding as well. It's run by a young lad. He started it in 2017, I think. Roasts his own beans. He's got his own little brand going, supplies quite a few places in Penzance, and he's just got a shipping container at a campsite with a mini roastery, and he serves great coffee. So if you're ever down this way, it's definitely somewhere to stop off at. Cool, she's tight. Hey. Trevescan. So it should be just up here on the left hand side. Land's End Coffee Shop and Roastery. And there she be, look. Cute little thing. Get me a coffee, I am fucking parched. Where the road takes us now. This view is epic. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, please, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you'll be sticking around for a bit more Coast and Coffee. But for now, over and out.